The next project to get ready for the plumbers is to cut the bottom out of this sink cabinet. So the laundry room, which you saw before when I took those uppers out, we're going to cut the floor there to get to the drain, and then there's going to be a cut right through here under the wall you can't see, and then into the bathroom over there, and then there's going to be a cut that way to cut through both bathrooms. A lot of work. I am not ready, just like the laundry, I'm not ready to do the remodel here. I didn't want to tear out the cabinets and the countertop at this time, so I worked it out with the plumbers that I'm going to cut the base out of this cabinet, and then they're going to be able to cut in right through here and come out to connect. I'm Ron Paulk, and this is the Smart Wood Shop. If you want to get a detailed set of plans to build a smart wood shop for yourself or one of the Paulk Smart workbenches, there's a link in the description of this video down below where you can go and purchase plans and download them instantaneously 24/7, 365. So I'm not exactly sure how these are assembled. The typical method is the sides run through, which is the case, which means the bottom, if this is the side, the bottom butts into it, and it's connected with fasteners, some screws or something along there. So I'm going to cut along both of those edges, and then there may be some nails along the back as well for the little 1/4-inch backer they usually put on. They may have stapled it or something. But so I'm going to try to cut through, get that bottom completely detached and out so they'll have access to the floor underneath. And when I go to put it back, I'll just cut some ledgers and just put it in and just screw it down. Again, this is a temporary fix. This is how we're going to work through this so that we can take our time and design a nice remodel here. The bathrooms, unfortunately, we were going to spend a lot of time figuring out a remodel there. We were going to move some walls and stuff. But because this is an emergency, we need the bathrooms. We're going to leave them as they are as far as the layout. We're going to completely remodel them, though. They're going to be new cabinets, new plumbing fixtures, toilet, sink. There's a tub that's getting torn out. We're going to do just a big shower, tile pan shower in both bathrooms and tile around. So even though we're not getting to do some of our time to really design it the way we want, it's still going to be really nice. One of them, the main ensuite bathroom is small. We might have enlarged it if we could figure out a way, but it works. And so I think that if we can modernize it, we'll have all new drains, all new water pipes, because we're also repiping all of the lines in the house. So we're getting water, hot and cold, and sewer are going to be completely brand new from end to end, top to bottom, and all the way out to the city sewer. We're actually digging up the line all the way to where we connect to the city sewer. So everything is going to be fresh and new in this house as far as the plumbing goes. And so I'm pretty excited about it. I mean, I'm not happy that it happened. It's expensive, but I would have eventually spent the money. I'm just being rushed into it right now. So next up on the hit parade is to figure out if I can cut this base out. The other nice things about these kind of saws, these vibrating saws, is that you can, go in. This is traditionally how I use it, cutting straight in, but you can also set the blades up to cut at a 90 degree or kind of pretty much anywhere in between. This is paperback vinyl, so this is not asbestos. Some of the old vinyl tiles, you have to be careful. I thought I was done with the sink base in the kitchen. I did that yesterday. And then I realized that we're also repiping the water. We're putting PEX lines in the whole house, so we're gonna have new drain lines and new water lines. And so I need to cut out the back of the cabinet too. So I think I'll do is cut the edges out. Again, I don't have to be real careful with this because it's not going back in and the whole cabinet's being replaced down the road. But I'll cut the edges out, cut across there, and then I'll cut through these plumbing lines, kind of like puzzle pieces, so that I can pull them all out. Hey, thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. You stay safe and have a great day.